Hello everyone, welcome back to Kimates. Today we are discussing about the topic greenhouse effect. We are well known about the word greenhouse effect or global warming. What do you mean by global warming? Global warming refers to the significant increase in the earth temperature over a relatively short period of time as a result of the activities of humans. The most significant cause of global warming is enhanced greenhouse effect. This is resulting from mainly excessive release of carbon dioxide and to some extent from the release of certain other gases like methane, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbons. That is carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbons, methane, etc. are called greenhouse gases. Next we can discuss the greenhouse effect. About 75% of the solar energy reaching the earth mainly as the radiations in the visible region and is absorbed by the earth's surface, which increases in temperature. It maintains a steady state by giving off bulk of this energy at the same rate radiations in the infrared region. Carbon dioxide and water vapor along with methane and ozone in the atmosphere, that is the so-called greenhouse gases, absorb most of the IR radiation emitted by the earth's surface and then partly re-emit the absorbed heat back to the earth's surface. And this leads to the heating up of the earth's surface. This is called greenhouse effect or natural greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect, the name originates from the process just as the glass in a greenhouse effect holds the sun's warmth inside. The atmosphere traps the sun's heat near the earth's surface and keep it warm. The greenhouse effect is the progressive warming up of the earth's surface and atmosphere due to the blanketing effect of carbon dioxide and certain other gases, methane, water vapor and ozone that absorb and emit infrared radiation. Greenhouse effect is a good thing because it maintains the heat balance and average the surface temperature on the earth in those narrow limits required for optimal climatic conditions that supports life on earth. Thus, the greenhouse effect is of great significance in governing the climate and thereby ensure the earth stay warm enough for life to survive. Then what do you mean by enhanced greenhouse effect and how they cause global warming? Normally carbon dioxide is not considered as a pollutant because it is a normal component in the atmosphere and is also an important part in the photosynthesis. When the carbon dioxide concentration increases, it causes serious problems. Nowadays, a very large number of carbon dioxide are emitted into the atmosphere by large-scale combustion of fossil fuels in thermal power plants, factories, automobiles, etc. Further, global deforestation is also responsible for the increase in concentration of carbon dioxide because trees are essential to maintain the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This large-scale increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide creates enhanced greenhouse effect and causes global warming. That is, carbon dioxide in large concentrations absorbs the re-emitted IR radiations to a great extent and re-emit it back to the earth and leading to an increase in the average global temperature. Other greenhouse gases like methane, N2O, chlorofluorocarbon are also emitted in the atmosphere through human activities. These greenhouse gases also contribute to the increase in the mean global temperature. Do you know what are the consequences of global warming? If the input of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere continues in the present rate, their atmospheric concentration would be doubled by about year 2050. This would raise the temperature of Earth's surface by 3 degrees Celsius. The important consequences of global warming includes climatic changes. It will lead to the changes in global climate. Some areas of the world would experience abnormally high evaporation of water and unusual changes in ocean currents and winds. Abnormal changes in weather patterns and seasons as well as desertification. Some regions of the world may lose up to 30% of annual rainfall, while some other regions may experience very high rainfall. The whole climatic pattern of the world would change. Due to global warming, a drop in agricultural production occurs. Climatic change would always affect the agricultural production adversely, since some regions would become increasingly dry and some others increasingly wet, with a consequent drop in agricultural crops. The whole agricultural pattern would be upset. Another adverse effect of enhanced greenhouse effect is sea level rises. Increase in oceanographic temperature may cause the melting of polar ice caps, leading to an abnormal rise in sea levels around the globe. This may result in the erosion and submergence of low-lying coastal lands and islands. Important consequence of global warming is spread of diseases. Increase in global temperature also increases the incidence of diseases like dengue, malaria, yellow fever, sleeping sickness, etc. Another consequence is the destruction of aquatic organisms. Fish and other aquatic organisms cannot be withstand the higher temperature due to global warming, so they will perish. The another problem is refugee problems. Climatic changes result in flood or drought, agricultural loss, homeless and starvation. This would force people to move within and between the countries. These refugees would cause very serious social and economic problems. We can discuss about the control of greenhouse effect. Remedy to global warming. Essential steps to control greenhouse effect and to prevent abnormal global warming would be to control and reduce the emission of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. So in order to control and reduce the carbon dioxide, burning of fossil fuels must be reduced. That is, the use of automobiles must be minimized. Alternative measures of transport must be used, such as the bicycles or the public transport system, buses, trains must be adopted as much as possible. Solar energy may be used as an alternative fuel to the conventional fossil fuels. Cutting down forests and trees must be minimized. More trees must be planted to increase the green cover. Unnecessary burning of dry leaves, woods must be avoided. Smoking in public places and workplaces, which is illegal and must be prevented. People who are unaware about the enhanced greenhouse effect and resulting global warming must be made aware of the related bad consequences. The control on the input of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere has to be achieved on a global basis. So, a global policy regarding the issues of industrialization, deforestation, etc. has to be adopted by all nations of the world. These are all about greenhouse effect. Here we are discussed about greenhouse effect, enhanced greenhouse effect, global warming, what are the consequences of global warming and the control of greenhouse effect.